Hey guys, it's Lori, your cheeky crafter. Thought I'd do a quick recap of what I've made thus far with scrapbookingstore.com's June 2022 kit and add-ons. So first I have this layout with my brother and sister-in-law and my niece Addie. This is a Chick-fil-A layout using their red gingham paper, and I just matted the photos. And then I've got this other one where I wove together some strips of paper that I cut into half-inch strips, mounted some 3x4 cut-aparts, placed for the photo, and some die cuts. Then I made 3 tags using the zip strips that you cut off of the bottom of the papers. Added a sticker sentiment, and then some die cut stars. Then I've got some cards I made using the die cuts, more cards using the Jolie's Boutique stickers, and then the sort of explosion cards, if you will. Those were the ones that I did another video on to show you. Then I've got the rest of the zip strips here on this cards, and these are some extra tags, so I haven't finished those off. We're going to do that in just a minute, but here's another recap of everything I've made thus far. And again, we'll finish off the tag cards in just a minute. But here's what I've got so far. Okay, so here we go. Let's finish off these tag cards. So I'm going to go ahead and mount the zip strips that I've already cut on some, or I'm going to mat them on some red cardstock and then attach that to a card base. And then I'll add the tags on here. And I'm going to add some twine. I think I'm going to go opposite colors, so I'm going to put the blue and white twine on the red tag and the red and white twine on the blue tag. My goodness, I can't get my words right. So you'll see I'm just threading that through and making a simple little pull-through closure there to hold it on. Trim it down just a little bit, and then I'll flip it over and get ready to attach it to the card. And I'm going to add a little piece of double-sided tape on top of where the twine is, just to make sure it doesn't come loose. So you'll see I get that on there, on both of them. Then I'll just peel that off with my little pick tool, attach it to the card. Same thing with the red tag, get it attached to the card. Then I'll go to my stickers and die cuts and see what I want to use. And so as I'm flipping through here, I see a lot of things that I like. And ultimately I'm going to settle on some what looks like postage stamps. And so those are really cute, one for each card. So now that I've got it selected what I'm going to use, I'm also going to pull off a little sentiment to put on the bottom of that red tag. And you'll see I'm going to attach that there. And then I will use the postage stamp and attach it there. And I've decided I'm going to go ahead and just pop that up. So I've got some scrapbook adhesive little pop dots, and I'll just put those on there, or foam adhesive pops, whatever you want to call them. Peel off the backing and then attach it to the card. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other card off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. And so here are the tags all finished, the tag cards finished. And just to recap, here's a shot of the other things, the 2 layouts that I did. One, obviously I'm waiting on a photo to go on it. The other one's ready to go. And then the other cards and the tags that I made. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video. Thanks.